Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The bus.
You bet.
Get the bus.
You bet me and you.
Bro, I bet you and you lost too, but you want to accept it. Dad.
By Nick Harris, I believe, from some others, that Draymond Dix had said that it was an off-the-field issue that he knew on Thursday that he was not going to start.
So yesterday, it was a breaks.
Freaking idiot.
Skippy had been forced to guess which targets to hit while we were still outside the star system. Picking up alarms now? Yep. The Octave pussies are scrambling to launch all available aircraft.
What are you doing?
A lot less now that our missiles ransacked that base. Okay. There is a formation of 4 dropships.
What are you doing? What the fuck?
What the hell, dude?
Hey, pull over. .442 CGS. Hey! He just hit me. He just hit me.
Right there. Right? Yes.
You know what my favorite part was?
Have a yield sign, dude. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Then merge onto I-15 North.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Head east on 1300 South, West 13th South. Use the second from the left lane to turn left onto the I-15 North.
Smiths to festivals, these songs defined an era. This is not 2000.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Continue for 1 mile.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.